Hey everyone, today I am on S&T Bank website and the website is stbank.com, and as you see I am on the account login page now, and as you see the page has a dark blue color and a white login frame. So if you want to log in your account, you need to you need to click your account type, as you see like that. They are personal online banking, small business online banking, or business online banking, credit card account, and ICS depositor control panel, enterprise, trust online, trust 401 key and payment insider and DMB merchant services. So as you know, we talk about credit card accounts. So I click credit card account, and then I click the choice of credit card account. As you see, the frame has changed, and then I need to click login page here, and after this step I think there is a new page. Yes, but as you see, there is account login page for credit card uh, holders, and you need to type your username and your password. If you forget your username, you need to click forget username button, and if you forget your password, you need to click forgot password here. But if you don't have an account, and if you have a S&T Bank credit card, you need to click sign up button, and again, so you need to click, I think, new page. Yes, let's just yeah. So you need to fill this blanks, and then you need to continue to apply for your S&T Bank credit card. So thank you for watching, and please share for more videos. Thank you. See you. Bye.